Trojan bot copy trade tutorial. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you through the process of using the Trojan bot for copy trading. Copy trading can help you leverage the expertise of successful traders to enhance your own trading strategy. So let's dive in. First, let's briefly discuss what the Trojan bot is. It's an automated trading bot designed to replicate the trades of experienced traders in real time. This can save you time and increase your chances of success. So to get started, you need to create an account on the Trojan bot platform. Go to their website and click on the sign up, fill in the details and verify your email to activate your account. Once your account is set up, you'll need to connect it to your trading platform like Binance or another supported exchange. To navigate to the settings or connections section and follow the prompts to link your trading account. Now, go to the copy trading section and here you'll see a list of top traders available for you to copy. Review their performance statistics, trading styles, and risk levels. Select a trader that aligns with your trading goals. After selecting a trader, you can set your copy trading parameters. This includes the amount you want to invest, the risk level, and how much of the trader's trades you want to replicate. Adjust these settings according to your risk tolerance. Once you've set everything up, the Trojan bot will start copying the selected trader's trades, and you can monitor your performance in the dashboard, where you will see your gains and losses in real time. And that's how to use the Trojan bot for copy trading. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tutorials. Thanks for watching.